Hello everyone, welcome back to Whiteboard Tech Academy. In the last lecture, we understand what C language, what C language is and why it is so powerful. So, today it is a time to write our very first C program, the classic Hello World. Classic Hello World. Let's bring down its structure and understand how our C program actually works. Structure of a C program. What was the structure? I tell you step by step. So, first is documentation section. Documentation section. In the documentation section, this section is optionally in C language. Comment can be written to give descriptions about the program. Comment can be single line, comment can be multiple lines. Single line comment or multiple line comment can be used like this. In single line comment, start with two forward slashes, for example, like this. Slash, write a program to add two number. So, in multiple line comment, start with slash and terminate with close. For example, open the program to check whether roots of equation are real. This is a documentation section. Second is a link. Second is link section. In the link section, these sections contain header file as example hash include signstudio.h hash include conio.h. These statements are used to execute built-in function. Next is definition section. In this section, used to define value to any variable. Example, hash define pi 3.4. Next is global declaration. In this section, is optional. The variable declared in this section are shared among many functions with the program. Example, hash include conio.h int global equals to any, you write any variable, int main. The next is a important function is main function. User brackets main function. In this function, we can declare a main function in the program. These section contain a main function. This is actually part for where C program start. It is necessary functions and cannot have more than one main. Main program section is divided into two parts. This is a very important function in program, that is a main function. So we use in that function in every program. The last structure is user defined function. User defined function. This section is used to define user defined functions that user can give any value name to function. That is a structure of C programming language. Even if you have 100 functions, execution always being from main function. I already told you what is the meaning of main function. So again I will tell you, main function is where the program start execution. Even if you have write 100 functions or many more, you will always execution being from main function. So this is a structure of C programming language. So here we write first program, that is write a program hello world. Simple example I will take. So first of all, I will write hash include studio.h, then void main, curly braces, printf double semicolon hello world, return 0. Here include studio.h. This line tell the compiler to include the standard input output library which contain the function. Int main, void main, you can also write a int main or void main. This is the main function where program execution. Then we start curly braces, void main. This is the main function where program execution begins. Now start curly braces. Curly braces define the start and the end of the function block, where we start a function with curly braces and end with curly braces. Printf, here we write a printf hello world. Text on screen, every statement end with semicolon. Every statement in program in the end of with semicolon. Then here we write a return 0. Return 0 to indicate successful execution. So when you run this code, your output is hello world. When you write a C program, it goes through multiple steps through before running. I will draw the flow how it's work. First of all, you can write source code, .c, then compilation, then object code, then linking, and then execute. Each stage checks syntax, convert your code into machine instructions, and finally create an executable file. There are some common mistakes students will be do. I will tell you which mistakes. Beginner often make a few small but common mistakes. Which statements, which mistakes are forgetting? The first of all, everyone forget a semicolon. At the end of statement, missing curly braces, type printf like this. Print f like this, but that's the wrong way. You always write a printf in small capital. Print f. And not most common mistake, everyone not saving file with .c extension. .c, every program you will save with .c, right? Like you can put any name. How to save a program? You can give any name like hello .c. You can save your program in your computer. Congratulations, you just wrote your first C program. In the next lecture, we explore variable, constant, and data type, the foundation for real logic building. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Ready for lecture third if you are following along. This is Whiteboard Tech Academy, making a program simple, one lecture at a one time. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.